SMT Nation, what is up, good people? I just came across this tower site and I've never noticed it. It's been a while since I've been out here. I'm in Brook Park, Ohio, and this is an N41 site. I mean, it's got everything else for T-Mobile too. It's on top of a travel lodge. What is this? Brook Park and Brook Park Road, and I don't even know what it is. West 140th, I think. Kind of industrial. There's a lot of traffic here near the airport, but it looks like a massive MIMO antenna. This is a Nokia market. So there's the one sector there. The other sector is on the other corner. It's actually, you can't really tell, but it's back there. It's behind the pole there. You can see some of the radio gear. So let's test it, right? We're right in the way of the sector. It's directly pointed at us. Looks like the massive MIMO antenna, so this should be really fast. There's the N41, and then all the other frequencies will be coming from that other antenna. All right, so pretty strong signal, right? Let's see, the SINAR is pretty good at 14. The RSRP is very, very low, so that's an indication that we're very close. Let's check out the speeds and the throughput, and then we'll download Call of Duty Mobile and see if that makes any difference. What do we have here? Let's get out of here. Let's just do the speed test mode. Really fast. But I don't think we're at more than a gig on the backhaul. We simply don't see that here in Cleveland. I swear there's not a single site that has, multi-gig circuit. I just don't see it. I doubt this is a multi-gig circuit. It should be faster than that because they've got 160 megahertz of 2.5 gigahertz here. All right, 40 ping, 4 jitter, 858 down, 83 up, really fast, very good. Let's go ahead and do a Call of Duty download here. Let's give this let's go ahead and download Call of Duty, and let's actually give it a clock here. Let's clock it. Let's see how long it takes. All right, let's go ahead and time this thing, install. We're going to do it over any network. Boom. All right, and we're off to the races. Give or take a couple of seconds here. All right, looks to be moving pretty fast. Wow, it is moving really fast, folks. That's a 2.5 gig file. So, downloading this quickly is it's nothing to sneeze at. Yeah, this sucker is going to be done in under a minute for sure. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's fast forward it for you guys. T-Mobile cooking with gas, folks. 100% done, under a minute's time. 2.5 gigs on that game size. Nice stuff, T-Mobile. Very, very good. Brand new site, like I said, I've never noticed it. You got good radio gear up there. You got good backhaul. Solid. Really, really nice job there, T-Mobile. What do you guys think of that? You find similar experiences to T-Mobile in your area? Hey, it's pretty uniformly capacitive here. Really nice stuff. And this area is pretty dense. You got all these macros. The macros are about a mile apart, and then you got stuff like this, right, which adds capacity too. Good stuff from T-Mobile. Like, share, subscribe for more. Turn on the bell notification icon to never miss an upload. Links are in the description for all things going on with the channel. You guys can buy me a coffee if you want to support the SMT that way. Link in the description. Also, if you want to save money on your wireless service, our partner link for Mint Mobile is there. And big shout out to the YouTube members and the Patreon supporters for making content on this channel possible. And the links are in the description if you want to support us there and get additional access and other benefits and perks to being a part of that community. Anyways, thanks for watching, folks. We shall see you all on the next video. Peace.